Hi everyone, we're going to simplify each expression with complex numbers. These are two examples. They're very similar, so I'll do one and then you can try the other. I'm going to do them both. So the first thing we want to do is realize that the first one, 3 minus 6i, and then you have negative 4i. Remember, I is negative, square root of negative 1. That means there's a radical in the denominator. And for math purposes, we do not like radicals in the denominator because the higher you go in mathematics, that means you're going to get more complex expressions and equations, and it's hard to simplify those if there's a radical in the denominator. So we're going to simply multiply the denominator by I, and that's going to get rid of that because I times I is negative 1. If we multiply the denominator by I, we also have to multiply the numerator by I. So let's multiply that out. In the numerator, we're going to get 3i minus 6i squared. In the denominator, we're going to get negative 4i squared. And then all we're going to do is simplify by substituting I squared with negative 1. So we have 3i minus 6 times negative 1 divided by negative 4 times negative 1. So that's going to give us 3i plus 6i, or plus 6, sorry, divided by 4. Now you can write it like that, or some textbooks will have you write it like this. Either way is fine, and both of these answers are fine. All right, and the next one, you could actually, for this one, factor out a 3. That would give you a 3/4 I plus 2. But, you know, that's just doing more and more simplifications. All right, so the next one, let's do the same thing. So we have 2 plus 7i divided by negative 5i. We're going to do the same process. Multiply the denominator and the numerator by I. So in the denominator, you're going to get negative 5i squared. And then make sure you multiply both of these terms. You get 2i plus 7i squared. Then substitute your I squared with negative 1. So everywhere there's an I squared, put negative 1. So this gives you 2i minus 7 divided by 5. Or we can write this as 1/5, 2i minus 7. And that will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.